Boys and girls, for math today, please make sure that you're doing at least a session in extra math. Yesterday, when I checked Tuesday, I had several, let me stress that word, several students who did not do extra math, and 5 students who did incomplete work in extra math. If you don't do a complete session, remember that the report I get is coded. It's a green if you did a session and you did very well. Yellow if you did a session, you just didn't do great as far as accuracy. And gray if you did it but you did not complete it. Then there's nothing next to your name if you didn't do your work. Even though it is not for a grade, it is very important. Please do your extra math. Again, I am recording it every day as far as task completion. The skill we're working on is area, and area is always reported in square units. Think about area as covering or filling a flat space, like if you were covering your countertop in tiles, covering your floor in ceramic tiles or carpet squares, if you're covering a wall with wallpaper. So anything that you're going to cover the whole thing, the whole top of it, or the whole floor, that is area. And it is always reported in square units. Might be a 1-inch square, a 1-foot square, a 1-yard square. If you click here, you're going to be watching a video and answering questions on area because this is an ed puzzle. For perimeter, be sure that you have a paper and pencil because when you do this video and answer questions, you will be adding, because it's a rectangle, you'll be adding 4 numbers together. So you'll need a piece of paper in order to do that and answer those correctly. Remember that perimeter is the distance around an object. Yesterday we talked about an example of being if you put a fence all the way around your house, so your front yard and backyard. If in your house you have border all the way around the top of the room, it's that short wallpaper that just goes around the top of the room. If you have crown molding, that is that wooden trim that's way up at the top of the wall of the ceiling, all the way around the room. That would be the perimeter. So again, click on this link to watch a video and answer questions, but be sure you have a piece of paper and pencil. To be sure that you've done everything, did you do Learning A to Z for 20 minutes? Did you work in SumDog for 20 minutes? Did you do your Canvas quiz on stage fright? Your Canvas quiz on superlative and comparative adjectives? Did you complete a session in extra math? Do the ed puzzle on area and ed puzzle on perimeter? If so, you're all done. If not, go back and complete your work. Now, at the very end of the day, I'm going to be posting many of you have heard the song or heard the poem, The 12 Days of Christmas, because we have 12 school days left before Christmas. I'm going to be reading a Christmas book every day for these last 12 days. So that will be the next link, is me reading a Christmas book from one of my favorite authors.